Lions, the main attraction of the savanna, known for their luxurious naps and earth-shaking roars. Don't be fooled by their chillax attitude. These kings of cool are actually sprinting ninjas in disguise, clocking in at 50 mph during a hunt. Talk about hidden burst mode. Their powerful legs and flexible spines turn them into living battering rams, leaving prey with no chance of escape. So next time you see a lion napping, remember, it's just recharging its turbo for its next high-octane meal. Now that's what I call working smarter, not roar air.